Everyone, we're now going to look at the results section of your research project. This is well known as the section with graphs. Okay, this is the bit where all the students start panicking because they have to create graphs. I have already set up a YouTube video showing you how to create graphs on Microsoft Word. I've also shown you how to collect data from Google Forms, and Google Forms is fantastic in the sense that it creates graphs for you. So if there is a bar chart or a pie graph that you want just from one question, if you've done your questionnaires on Google Forms, it should create it for you automatically. Okay, so, and you can screenshot your screen or copy and paste the graph into your results section so that we can see it. You won't be downgraded for that, but one of the things I would like to say is that if you can create your own graphs that show maybe the results of two questions that link to each other, or some analysis in the graph that's more than just how many people said yes or no, that's going to increase your grading. That's going to make it look like you have gone out of your way to prove certain things with your research. Okay, we need about 8 to 10 graphs. Remember that they should be followed by analysis. Don't just put lots of graphs on a page and then only analyse it at the end. We want to see that you are thinking about these different aspects of your project and these different findings throughout. The analysis doesn't have to be too long. It can be maybe just a paragraph or less per graph. Try not to waste too much time evaluating, because you can do that later on in your evaluation section. So it's more about stating what you have found, what it means. You can state if it links to any secondary data that you explained in your literature review. That's always helpful. So you can say this relates to Lawson's statement regarding childhood obesity, something like that. So the results section, it's not very long. It just sort of depends on how quickly and how manageable you are finding creating the graphs. If you do have any problems creating the graphs, let us know in college. The library, I'm sure, will be very helpful as well. We will be able to support you in that. If you want another video made on how to make a graph on another platform, or how to make a specific type of graph, just let me know and we can arrange that. Okay. So next we're going to discuss your evaluation, and this is one of the biggest sections of your project again. So this is smaller than your literature review, but it is larger than many other sections of your project, and it's where we start to see whether or not you have come up with an appropriate conclusion considering all of your research.